To promote creativity, wellness, and make education dynamic, interesting, and imparting in the state, Education District 1 recently organized a food competition, the first of its kind in all the education districts in Lagos State. The food competition had as its theme low-cost meals for teenagers, promoting creativity.
This program is to complement and enhance our amiable Governor Akinwumi Ambode's policy to give the best all-round education to students in our public schools through provision of healthy and conducive environment for teaching and learning. Hence, Education District 1 is joining the state government to promote creativity and wellness amongst our students, especially the teenagers and particularly the girl child.
According to the Tutor General Permanent Secretary of the district, Dr. Yinka Ayodele, the competition will encourage students to turn their passion into career opportunities.
Creativity and innovation with other factors that will bring about the well-being of a child is paramount to us, especially those of us that run the affairs of education in Lagos State. So I recognize the support of our Quality Assurance Office. The officer is here to represent other officers. We work hand in hand, and other distinguished members that are on this top table, just to ensure that our children not only develop their cognitive domain, but also in terms of behavior, in terms of mindset, and in terms of skills.
She also gave kudos to the governor of Lagos State for investing heavily in the education sector.
What brought about this competition has to do with the vision of the state government, this present administration that is being run by our very amiable governor of Lagos State, His Excellency Mr. Akinwumi Ambode, who places education as a priority. When we talk about ensuring safety of our children, that is uppermost in the heart of our amiable governor. And of course, our environment is conducive for learning.
Mrs. Adebimpe Giwa lauded the initiative.
I want to congratulate Education District 1. It is always a joy to come here to see that we are making progress and to see that the children, our children, are moving on, that you are moving up. We thank God that discipline has been introduced back into our system, and we are seeing quality for the taxpayers' money.
The grand finale was keenly contested by 6 students and 6 vendors. The contestants were those who emerged from the preliminaries held across the district. of the competition, after careful consideration by the judges, Monday Ajodo of Shasha Community Senior High School was declared winner in the students category with a meal of beans, plantain and vegetables, while Mrs. Olufunke Falaya of Iju Senior Grammar School emerged winner in the food vendors category with a meal of green plantain portage. The winners expressed their joy.
I'm very, very happy because I could remember the first time I came third. My mother, the principal of my school, she was not happy with me at all. So I went home. I keep praying that God, I've tried my best. That I want to come out as one of the qualifiers, so that I'll be able to contest for the final season again. And with the grace of God, I made it and I succeeded.
I try to give out my best, but all along I left everything to God's hand. So when the winner was being announced, I was so happy. In fact, it was as if maybe is it a dream. But all I knew was that at least with the assistance of my principal, encouraging us, telling us as to what to do, I tried to make sure that the little best I can put, I make the little effort I have.
The competition, the first of its kind in all the districts, created a great platform for the contestants, especially the students, to showcase their culinary skills. The event was proudly sponsored by some corporate organizations.